ready to turn those Costco hauls into eBay profits. Let's dive into the world of retail arbitrage with a Costco twist. First up, the golden rule: do your research legally and ethically before you even grab that cart. Check eBay for identical items. What's the current selling price? Are there many listings? Crucially, ensure Costco permits reselling their items and that you aren't violating any manufacturer's restrictions. Always aim for authenticity and transparency to build trust with your buyers. Now, let's talk listing like a pro. High-quality photos are your best friend. Showcase the item from every angle, highlighting any unique features or the original packaging. Write a compelling, detailed description. Include brand, model number, dimensions, materials, and any key benefits. Think like a beer. Why euro? What information would you need to make a purchase? Next, pricing for profit. Factor in your Costco purchase price, eBay fees, PayPal fees, packaging materials, and shipping costs. Use eBay's sold listings feature to see what people are actually paying for the item. Don't just guess. Data-driven pricing is crucial for maximizing your margin. Consider offering a competitive price with good value. Smart shipping and packaging are key to buyer satisfaction. Package your items securely to prevent damage during transit. Use sturdy boxes and appropriate packing materials like bubble wrap. Offer multiple shipping options if possible. And always provide tracking information to your buyer. A well-packaged item leads to happy customers and positive feedback. Finally, scaling and strategy. Look for items with high demand and good profit margins. Keep an eye on seasonal trends for products that sell well at different times of the year. Build a reputation for reliable service, and you'll see your eBay reselling business grow from your Costco finds.